Whoa! Kat and Helena are here for us to fit the brand new gadget. Get ready, mechanicals. Green.
Hola, Gecko!
Oh, hi, Kat. Haha, time to fit some extra special kit. Go, go, mechanicals.
May I talk with her, Gecko?
Thanks, Kat.
What is wrong, Corazon? Would you like to help me with something?
All done and ready for a test run. Wait, we can't test it without green.
Sometimes I don't feel so great too, but sad feelings will pass, like the clouds.
We're ready on the ground, Kat. Go, go, Helena Helicopter.
All yours, Green. I believe in you.
Oh, great job, Kat. That was amazing.
It was all green.
Oh, well done,